My name is Jason, and I guess I work here now. Yeah, my name's Jason, and I'm going to be working with these two
fine young gentlemen.
Idiots. And I like to work on motorcycles and also cars and stuff. Now that I'm here, we can pretty much work on anything and everything. Motorcycles, jet skis, generators, automotive.
Together, the three of us, with our powers combined, we are going to start something called Jam Auto. So Jam Auto, we got the name because, you know, Jason, Andrew, Mike. If you take the first letters and put them together, you get some jam.
That's metal.
So today we're going to do some work. We're actually going to replace some parts. We're not just going to sit around and talk. So Mikey over here doesn't like his intake, so we're going to replace it with an aftermarket cold air intake. Tell us a little bit about that.
So we're going to start off by just literally removing the stock intake from the Honda and putting on an aftermarket one. So, and this is more or less just an experiment. I bought a cheap air intake this time. So, I mean, if I like the way it runs, then I'll go out and buy a more expensive one. So, kind of just experimenting at the moment.
Sure. Cool.
Yeah.
Pretty simple, pretty easy, but we're going to walk you guys through like everything we do, and we're going to explain it as we go. Sure.
All right, you ready, guys? All right,
Stick
let's do
around.
it. So, let's see what we got.
So here we go. This is our Civic Bay. Civic Bay. Hey Bay, how you doing?
All right,
So this looks like your airbox right here.
well, this too. That's actually where the air filter is. So,
Never done one of these on a Civic.
let's see what we got. I'm gonna take this off. Just start by loosening these up. Not much room to work with. Alright, we have a one down there. Alright guys, so right now what I'm doing, currently just removing the old intake, getting all the bolts removed. Again, if this is your first time like mine, always be careful. You know, you don't want to break anything, and it's always a good idea to keep the old parts just in case, you know, the new aftermarket intake doesn't work or you just don't like it. So currently I'm about ready to take out this next piece here.
So we managed to get the old air intake box off. So we're just taking a look at the throttle body.
Yeah, she's a little dirty. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean the throttle body.
Got some throttle body cleaner here. Man, these shop towels coming in handy. Got that all nice and clean now. It's all nice and shiny.
Alright, so after we remove the intake, I need to find a way to put the map sensor into here. So that's the next step because that's very important. And then we are going to also find the fittings to make it fit over the throttle body and go from there. Alright guys, so we're about to put on the finishing touches. We're going to put the and we're going to go ahead and put it on.
Gorgeous.
Wish I could whistle right now.
Man, that's a good looking intake.
I just don't feel. I feel like it's not all the way on the bottom. There we go.
I can just smell the horsepower right now. There it is. Yeah. Easily 50 horsepower from this. Alright, go start her up and see how it sounds. See if it sounds sexier.
It just explodes.
Sounds about the same.
Yeah.
Give us some red line. That's pretty good.
Looks good.
Alright guys, so here's our final product. This is after a couple days of me driving it. And I did notice a little bit of a boost in power and gas mileage. So for my reviews on this, I'd have to say it's a pretty good cold air intake.
Worth the purchase?
Definitely worth the purchase. I only spent $30 on this. So
Thanks for watching.
Guys, thanks for watching our videos. Stay with us, stay tuned. There's a whole bunch of like better stuff to come. I'm just like 8 months pregnant and it's been hard to edit videos. So stick with us. It'll be worth it, I promise.
Follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and we'll keep you updated with all the stuff that we're working on. And you'll get notifications there before we make a video. And make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe. And post us a comment. Tell us what color we should paint Michael's windshield. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Good vibes.